Why this one? Sorry.
Obok-obok airnya diobok-obok, ada ikannya kecil-kecil pada mabok. Disemprot-semprot airnya disemprot-semprot, kena mukaku aku jadi mandi lagi. Dingin-dingin dimandiin, nanti masuk
semut-semut kecil.
Kena muka.
Once more ya, once more.
Obok airnya diobok-obok, ada ikannya kecil-kecil pada mabok. Disemprot-semprot airnya disemprot-semprot, kena mukaku aku jadi mandi lagi. Dingin-dingin dimandiin, nanti masuk
Semut-semut.
Okay, now without the video. Follow Miss Ray. Show me your one finger. Coba. This one and this one. Okay, and then like this, like this. One finger, 5 fingers. 1, 5. Take turn, gantian. Yang sebelah kiri jadi 1, sebelah kanan 5. Take turn again. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 5. Coba. Only you, only you. 1, 5. 1, 5. Sekarang together langsung ya, bersamaan. Sebelah kanan 1 jari, sebelah kiri 5 jari. Dan gantian nanti, take turn. Oke, letter take turn. Let's make 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. Can you make? Dengan cepat. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. Can you? Can you? Who can? Siapa yang bisa? Oh, Beth, can you show me, Beth, how to make it? Macet, Beth, I cannot see your face, Kak. Okay, maybe later, thank you, Beth. Maybe later you can try and then send the video to Miss Ray, ya. Send the video to Miss Ray and then you make it. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. But make fast. Can you? Ganti-gantian. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. Evander, don't say no. You can do it. I believe you can do it. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. Kalau sudah bisa lambat, if you can make slowly 1 5 1 5 1 5 1 5, you can make faster 1 5 1 5 1 5 1 5. Misalnya kadang-kadang cannot ya, sometimes I cannot. 1 5 1 5 1 5 1 5 1 5. But can. Okay, let us send the video to Miss Rhea if you already can or no. Okay, now get ready for our math subject, kids. Our math subject from page 165. Tomorrow we continue ya, later time's up. Nanti habis waktu for math subject.
Okay. One play the game.
What? What bang? Say again.
You say one play the game.
Yeah, that is the game. Brain gym. The name is brain gym. 1 5 1 5 1 5 1 5 1 5. Itu supaya melatih kefokusan anak-anak ya, daya tangkapnya. Oke? Wow, Kimora can. And then Zoya can try. Wow, very good. Later show me ya. Show me, rekam, record, and then send the video to Miss Ray. Oh, Bet can too. Oh, Guy can try it. Oh, Justin too. Okay, so later just send the video. Okay, now let's continue our math subject. Okay, because still bad connection, kids. I cannot see your face. Cannot see your face dengan jelas ya. So I hope tomorrow good connection so we can play the brain.
Suara nih.
Okay, now page 1. Open page 165. Our topic is about math. Everybody say math. Everybody say math.
Math.
Yeah,
Berat. Berat.
berat, ya, berat. Berat atau massa. Massa atau berat. Oke, mass, massa atau berat. Oke, from lesson 1. Comparing things. Everybody say comparing things.
Comparing things. Membandingkan benda, Miss.
Membandingkan benda, Miss. Kita mau membandingkan benda. We want to comparing things. Ya, namanya juga udah tentang berat, tentang timbangan. So, we want to comparing the mass of the things. Ya, coba. Miss Ray want to ask you, before we go to our topic again, Miss Ray want to ask example. Naomi, do you have pencil there?
Yes, Miss.
Show me your pencil, Kak. And then do you have textbook there?
Yes, Miss.
Show me. Okay, Naomi, if we compare your things there, kalau kita bandingkan benda-benda kamu di sana, oke, angkat Kak, angkat. Oke, Naomi, Miss want to ask you, which things is heavier? Mana yang lebih berat? Book or pencil?
Book, Miss.
Book, Miss. Yeah, thank you, Kak. Thank you, Naomi. You can put down again your book and your pencil. Yeah. So, our lesson about that ya, about comparing things. Kita mau membandingkan kalau kita angkat benda, ya, with my math, with my textbook, which is the heavier, ya. Jadi kita tahu mana yang lebih berat. Okay, we can use scale too. Scale. Everybody say scale. Timbangan.
Timbangan.
Iya, bisa juga dengan timbangan scale ya. Oke, so let's see page 165 again. For number one, ya, for number one, there are two animals here. Two animals here, kids. The first animal is what animal?
Lion.
What? Lion, iya, lion.
Lion.
Lion, singa. The second animal?
Hippo. Hippo.
Hippo, kudanil, yeah, it's okay. If you say that is hippo, kudanil. Yeah, look at kids, the first animal. Lion said, and si singa katakan, I'm heavy. I'm heavy. Everybody say heavy.
Heavy.
Iya, heavy, bukan happy ya. Heavy. Heavy, berat.
Berat. Berat.
Okay, and then heavier, lebih berat. Heavier, lebih berat.
Heavier, lebih berat. Lebih berat.
Just now, say, I'm heavy, but people said, again, I'm heavier. Kata si kudanil, dia lebih berat. Jadi intinya, hippo is heavier than lion. Coba lihat timbangannya juga. Look at the scale. Focus please. Look at the scale. Coba lihat timbangannya. Timbangan sebelah mana yang lebih turun ke bawah? Timbangan siapa? Timbangan sebelah mana? Lion or hippo? Lion or hippo?
Hippo.
Hippo ya, si kudanil. Artinya kalau ada timbangan yang lebih turun, itu artinya dia lebih berat. Bendanya lebih berat. Ya, heavier. Okay, so next, number 2. Okay, there is, what in English anak ayam kids?
Chicks.
Yeah, everybody say chick. Chick.
Chick.
Ayam. So what in English? Bulu ayam. Bulu ayam.
Quail.
Yeah, if you already watch my video,
Quail.
bulu ayam. Bulu ayam in English quail. Everybody say quail.
Quail.
Yeah, so look at chick is light. What in bahasa light? Everybody say light. Light, light in bahasa ringan.
Ringan nih.
Bahasa lebih ringan. Say lighter, lebih ringan.
Lighter, lebih ringan.
Miss Ray want to ask you. Jadi Miss mau tanya dulu. Which is the lighter?
The chick, Miss. Little
Lighter. Lighter itu kan lebih ringan. Pertanyaan Miss adalah mana yang lebih ringan? Which is the lighter? Chick or quail?
Chick, Miss. Quail, Miss.
Some students say, sebagian bilang yang lebih ringan adalah bulu ayam. Sebagian yang bilang yang lebih ringan adalah anak ayam. Yang mana yang benar? Which is the lighter, chick or quail? Lebih ringan. Stefani fokus ya Kak, Stefani. Oke, iya. Quail is lighter. Kenapa lebih ringan si bulu ayam? Ingat yang Miss bilang tadi, remember. Kalau dia timbangannya lebih turun ke bawah, berarti lebih berat. Bulu ayamnya lebih naik ke atas, berarti lebih ringan. My question is, which is the lighter? The answer is quail. Fokus ya. Next month, 2 month again, we already exam loh, udah mau ujian kita. So you have to focus. Okay, number 3. This has become our assignment. Yes or no?
Yes, Miss.
No. Later, number 4, 5, and 6 our assignment. Number 3 still example. Okay, there is apple and orange here. What in bahasa apple, kids? Orange. Orange. Okay. Kids, look at the scale. Coba lihat timbangannya. Lihat timbangannya. Adakah yang lebih turun timbangannya? Straight. Straight. What in bahasa straight? Lurus. Straight. Lurus. Seimbang ya. Okay, so it means the apple is as heavy as the orange. Everybody read. Yo, the apple
The apple is as heavy as the orange.
Orange, iya. Artinya apa? Apel itu seberat jeruk. Apel kenapa beratnya dengan jeruk? Because, okay, if you see the scale is straight. Ya, itu timbangannya. Okay. Okay, so now number 4. Take your exercise book, kids. We want to do number 4. Number 4. Ya, ambil buku latihan. Take your exercise book.
If Evander don't have exercise book.
Oh, what book? Notebook. Notebook.
Book.
Okay, so now take your notebook, students. Take your notebook.
Evander mau tuh, Miss.
Notebook? Why not?
Mommy don't have notebook, no, Miss. Rana nggak punya.
Please, what in English nggak punya?
I don't have.
Only Naomi collect 2 books. Hanya Naomi yang kumpulkan 2 buku sama Miss Ray. The other students have notebook, I think. Naomi, if nothing have notebook and exercise book, you can write on the papers, Naomi. For the other students, ask to your mom first. Untuk anak-anak Miss yang lain, tanya mamanya dulu. Where is your notebook or exercise book?
Evander don't have, Miss. Karena Evander punya orang.
Evander, ask your mom first, Bang.
I already have, Miss.
One by one, please. I don't like that. One by one. I cannot hear if all of you speak there.
I already finished.
Evander, how about you, Evander? Have you asked your mother?
Evander di rumah, Miss. Nggak bisa telepon mama.
Oh, later ya, Bang. Ask your mother ya, Bang. Okay, maybe Evander you can write on your textbook. Evander langsung jawab aja di buku besarnya.
Kopi.
What?
Yasin, I want to pee.
Oh ya, just go, Bang. Okay, next, number 4, kids. Which is heavier? Everybody say which is heavier?
Which is heavier?
Yeah, can you translate in bahasa? Can you translate in bahasa? What in bahasa which is heavier?
Mana lebih berat? Berat.
Ya, heavier yang lebih berat ya. Mana yang lebih berat? Everybody say marble. Kelereng. Marble kelereng and ball, bola, bola. Okay, so which is heavier, kids?
Make the question.
Okay, you can write, kids. Jawab, answer. Which is heavier? Answer by yourself on your
Write the
on
question.
your exercise book or notebook.
Book, Miss.
Yeah.
Miss, write the questions, Miss.
Yeah, write the question, Kak. Which is heavier? Which is lighter?
Miss. Betul. Miss. Buku notebooknya sama buku exercise-nya nggak ada.
Ask your mother later, Reynald.
Tidak sama mama ya.
Iya, ask your mother. Now you can write on your textbook, Reynald.
Textbook ini.
Yeah, write on
Ya,
your textbook.
pakai untuk belajar.
Write on your textbook, Reynald. Okay, the second question is, which is lighter? Mana yang lebih ringan? Which is lighter? Mana yang lebih ringan?
Miss, like this, Miss.
Where is? Wait, I see first. Who is that?
Evander.
Where is Evander? I I cannot see loh bang, nggak bisa Miss lihat. Later take picture aja ya bang, say to your mother ya bang. I cannot see bang.
Okay, Miss, it's under already.
Okay. Now the third, still number 4 ya, yang paling bawah. Okay, blank 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 is heavier. Blank 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 is heavier. Blank 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 adalah lebih berat. Mana yang lebih berat tadi? Write like this. Make the blank blank blank. Buat titik-titiknya. Or underline atau garis bawah. Raise your hand.
Miss, no.
Who's that? Who is that, Kak? Who is that?
Hey, Miss. I'm not yet.
Not yet. Now you can write way. Number 4 ya. Number 4, which is heavier, which is lighter. The blank 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 is heavier, like that ya, Faye. Hagai already arrived. Udah sampai Hagai already.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss. Okay, good.
Finish, Miss.
Finish. Okay, good. If you don't know, please raise hand ya, kids, so I can teach again. Okay, now next, number 5. Now next, number 5. Right.
Yes.
Oh, not yet. Why you asking me this? Not yet. Faye not yet finished.
Already number
Faye,
4.
Faye, if you already not yet finished, you can see from book, page 166. Open your book, page 166, Faye, if you're not yet finished number 4. Okay, Faye? Now number 5, yeah. Let's continue number 5 because the time's almost over. Okay, number 5. You have to write the question first. The bag of blank 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 is as heavy as the bag of. Okay, tas. Okay, look at this here, kids. The bag of sugar, everybody says sugar, and then flour, tepung. Ya, so there are 2 bags here. Ada 2 tas atau 2 plastik yang berisi sugar and then flour. Sugar, tepung, and flour. Sorry, sugar, gula, flour, tepung. Dan di bawahnya, there are 2 bags again. Ada 2 tas lagi di bawahnya. The first, rice, beras, and then flour, tepung. We want to comparing it.
Nanti dicat, Miss nanti.
What?
Lupa mau bilang apa, Miss?
Justin, you are so funny. Okay, and then the bag of. tas yang mana yang sama beratnya dengan tas yang mana? Lihat timbangan yang lurus.
Sugar and flour, Miss.
Flour, say flour. 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 Flour itu tepung ya. No flour, flour. Okay, and then the bag of blank 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 is heaviest. Everybody say heaviest. Heaviest paling berat dari sugar, flour, and rice. Which is the heaviest? Lihat timbangannya menurun.
Rice, Miss.
Yeah, rice, beras. Okay, next, number 6. If you not yet finished, you can see from book, yeah? See from book. Let's continue number 6. Number 6, yeah, there is table, book,
Exercise apa, Miss?
here. There is book, there is table, and there is balloon here. We want to comparing it. Ya, benda mana yang paling berat? Which object is heaviest and which object is lightest? Okay, if we only see from picture, we cannot compare ya. Kalau misalnya kita lihat dari gambar, tidak bisa kita bandingkan. Okay, so if you have table, book or balloon at home, find at home ya. Coba temukan benda-benda ini di rumahnya. Temukan meja, temukan buku, temukan balon di rumahnya. Angkat and then compare. Oke, 3 benda ini. Do you have table at home, kids? No?
Have, Miss.
Miss. Do you have book at home, kids?
Have, Miss.
And then how about balloon? Do you have balloon?
No, Miss. No.
Okay, if you don't have balloon at home, coba pikirkan aja. Balloon, kalau balon kan, balloon is light, right kids? Balon itu kan ringan. Yes, right? Okay.
Yes,
So,
Miss.
iya, so if you don't have balloon, just think. Kalau tidak punya balon, pikirkan aja. If balloon is light, ringan. Okay, so comparing that. Okay, enough for today, kids. So there are 3 numbers, yeah. There are 3 numbers. Number 4, 5, and 6 you have to do on your notebook or exercise book. Ada 3 nomor ya, nomor 4, 5, dan 6. 4, 5, 6. Okay, enough for today, kids. The time's almost over. We will end this Zoom. Thank you for today, students. If any question, just ask Miss Rhea. Tanya aja, Miss. Video call atau chat Miss Renata. Or you can see from video. Watch my video just morning. Tonton video Miss tadi pagi.
Yang mana Miss? Exercise.
What?
Miss, Renata ada video call Miss, tapi di
Iya, Renat, ask your mother, Bang, biar bisa lihat video Miss, ya. What else? Who else just now? Any question?
Miss, Rena punya, tapi itu untuk chat-chatnya gak punya.
What?
Untuk itu loh, tekan-tekan semua Miss bisa tahu. Untuk chat di WhatsApp.
Oh iya.
Mau kirim-kirim.
Oke. Any question again, student?
No, Miss.
No, Miss. Okay, so thank you for today. See you. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye, Miss. Bye, Miss. Bye bye. Bye bye.